All right, so we're gonna do how to dial a phone number from your lock screen. So we're gonna turn the phone on the side again here. There's sweet little Jacob's face. We're gonna click here on the phone icon and we're gonna swipe out. It wants you to open up or to enter your PIN so that you can, enter your PIN so that you can use the phone. So I'm gonna cover it up so that anybody else who may see this video doesn't know your PIN. And now you can either go to your recent phone calls. You've called me recently. You can go to your contacts and call anybody in your contacts. Or just use your keypad if you need to dial somebody specifically and you have the phone number. Okay. Recents, we'll try Julie Home. We'll click the little phone icon and it's calling, well, it says Jacob Jones. It's calling Jacob Jones. And that's it. We'll click the hang up button. And to get back to the main screen, you'll click the middle button here. That's for the home screen. And that brings you back to Jacob and your home screen. And that's it.